Blessings and abundance be upon you, family. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan Edmond, and in this video, I'm going to be taking you through a guided first-person visualization session. Okay? So, first-person visualization is something which is very, very powerful, and it's something which I used to help me to become more comfortable on stage, to help me to be more confident performing on stage and holding the mic. And it's something which I use to prepare myself to host Affirm life in the studio, prepare myself to just be more confident doing that. And I've moved from someone who was very, very shy and an introvert growing up to someone who has performed a number of times on stage, poetry performances, hosting the radio show of Film Life. I use first person visualization to boost my confidence, self esteem, self worth, and to just prepare myself to do that. I use first person visualization to attract my life partner, my fiance, and I'm using it right now to manifest and attract a number of things into my life. So I could testify to the power of first person visualization. So in today's session, I'm going to be taking you through a guided first person visualization. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to sit comfortably in a nice, relaxed spot. You could wear some light clothing, but you want to sit comfortably, preferably in an open space, because with first person visualization, you're going to really be getting into what it is that you want to attract or create and acting it out. So make sure that it's an open space, right, where you could stand up and move around and so on. And if you're worried about people maybe thinking that you're weird, or people thinking that you probably maybe losing it a little bit, then you could do this in a place where you're isolated. But it's an open space, comfortable space, a quiet space, a little isolated if you're worried about being judged. Or you could just do this early morning before everybody else is up, right? But in an open space where you can move around, first thing. So the second thing you want to do is to start off by sitting down, sit comfortably, and relax your body. So you relax your body. You want to get into a really, really deep, relaxed state. Relax your body and relax your mind and quiet your mind. So one of the things you can use to relax your body completely is you can use some deep breathing. So you could do some deep belly breathing to relax your body and to relax your mind. The mind and body are deeply connected, and when the body relaxes, the mind also relaxes. So you could do some deep belly breathing to relax your body and your mind, okay, to quiet your mind. So you could, how you do this, you could breathe in through your nose. 4 seconds, you hold it, you breathe in for 4, you hold for 4, and you breathe out for 4. Okay? And as you breathe in, you expand your belly. Feel your belly expanding as you breathe in. Okay, so you breathe in. So you breathe in for 4 seconds or 4 to 7 seconds, as long as you can. And you hold it for 4 to 7 seconds, and then you breathe out. You do this 3 to 10 times, right? If you don't want to do this to relax your body and your mind, you do a body scan. So you scan your body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. So you can close your eyes whilst you're seated comfortably. You do a body scan. So you say relaxing the top of my head, relaxing the scalp, relaxing the forehead, relaxing the nose, the eyelids, and you feel that relaxation. So you're scanning through your body and you relax in every part of your body, relaxing the lips. You could do this. This would take maybe about 30 seconds. Relaxing the chin, relaxing the neck, and you feel that relaxation, relaxing the shoulders. And you go all the way down to the tip of your toes. And by the time you get to the tip of your toes, you should be fully relaxed. Okay? So you seated, open space. Just a quick recap. Seated, open space for you to move around. Nice, comfortable clothing, light clothing. All right. The second thing is you deep breathe in or the body scan to relax the body and the mind. So the third thing is to really get into that visualization, to begin visualizing. Okay? So I'm gonna close my eyes. And let's, and like we said, we're doing this together. So with first person visualization, you're really getting into the visualization. You're placing yourself. So this is not something where you this is not something where, and I'm opening again. This is not something where you see in yourself from the outside. So this is not something where you're watching yourself, like you're seeing yourself from outside of your body. With first person visualization, you're actually getting into it and you're acting it out and you're feeling everything. Okay. So once again, you close your eyes and we're getting into the visualization. Okay. So for this session, we're going to visualize ourselves getting or at our new place of work, our new place of employment. Because I know many persons out there are looking for work, seeking work, trying to get employed and so on. So we're visualizing ourselves at our new place of employment. So you see yourself moving to work, walking to work maybe, or on a vehicle. Maybe your vehicle, feel the vehicle is parked. You feel that seat underneath your butt, behind your back. You feel the seat of the vehicle. You clothing, see the clothing on your body. You're wearing your preferred choice of clothing, colors, nice, comfortable, your best choice of clothing for work. Your shoes, see the shoes on your feet. Feel the shoes on your feet. Feel the clothing on your body, and you're feeling it. You're seeing it. Okay, you feel that excitement in your body. Feel the excitement, feel the gratitude in your heart because you finally got that job that you've been praying for, that you've been trying to acquire, that you've been trying to attract, trying to create. Feel the gratitude in your heart. If you're on your vehicle and you're getting out, feel the handle, the door handle, the texture of it. Right? You're opening the door, you're stepping out. You're stepping out of that vehicle, whether it's your vehicle or not, you're stepping out. Right now, you walk in. You walk in. Now you need to do this. Move around. Right? So get up out of the chair and you're moving around. I will remain seated just to make the point. But your eyes are closed, still closed. And you're getting up, you walk in slowly. Right? You don't have to walk briskly because, based on your space that you have around you, but you walk in slowly. You're moving towards that workplace. Feel that gratitude in your heart. Feel the excitement in your body. Feel maybe a little bit of anxiety, right? You finally got this new job that you've been praying for, that you've been wanting, that you needed to pay the bills, take care of the kids, to pay the rent, and so on and so forth. You're moving towards the door of that new place of employment. Feel the excitement in your body. Feel that. See the door of the new place of employment. See the name on the building, what have you. You opening the door. As you open the door, feel the air condition. If there is air condition, feel the air condition, right? Or just normal air circulated. Feel that. Continue to feel the gratitude in your heart as you're doing this. Feel the anxiety, maybe a little bit, not too much. Feel the excitement. Focus on the positive emotions. Feel the joy. Feel the excitement. Feel the gratitude, right? You stepping in there, feeling good. You dressed and dressed, right? You're ready for work. See a colleague, a new co-worker, a new colleague, one or two of them coming towards you, putting their hands out. We're in COVID time, so if you want to see them with mask on, that's fine. But see them coming towards you, put a hand out, shake his or her hand, shake their hands, feel the warmth in their hands. The faces may be random, or faces out of, maybe random faces, or maybe just see their hands and shaking their hands, right? Person smiling at you. See the smile. See your new employer coming at you. It could be a random face or face that you know. See your new employer coming towards you, coming at you. Reach your hand out. Shake his or her hand. See that. Feel that. Feel that excitement in your body. Feel that joy. Feel that gratitude in your heart. Feel that as you're doing that, right? See your employer leading you to your new office, your new place where you'll be working from, or just see your employer talking to you about this new job and what you require, what is required, or just giving you a brief, a run through for the day's activities. But see the place, see the building, feel feel the air conditioning in the room, see the colors, see the structure, feel again the emotions in your body, the gratitude in your heart, the excitement in your body, and in your mind you could say, thank you God, thank you God, thank you God for this new place of income, this new place of employment. Thank you God, thank you God, thank you God, thank you God, thank you so much. Feel that gratitude in your heart. Gratitude is so super powerful. Feel that gratitude, feel that gratitude, and you could walk back to your chair, step back to your chair with your eyes closed, stepping back, stepping back. Gratitude in your heart, and you sit down, you sit comfortably. Gratitude in your heart, the excitement still within your body. Express that gratitude. Thank you God, thank you God, thank you God, thank you God. And you open your eyes and you hear and you say, it is done, it is done, it is mine. You trust that it is yours already. You have asked and you have received. It is yours, it is done. You trust that it's on its way, right? And that is first person visualization. You place yourself in what it is that you want to attract, and you feel all the emotions. You see it all, and you in it. You acting it out. It is real. It is happening in the now. It is now. And when you're done, you open your eyes and then you see that it is done. It is yours, right? And this is so super powerful, guys. I suggest that you do this twice a day, first hour of the day, last hour before bed. These are the two most powerful hours, two biggest windows of opportunity for you to do your prayer, your affirmations, your visualization, and your planning and so on. First hour of the day, last hour before bed. You do your first person visualization twice a day, excuse me, 5 to 10 minutes, and consistency is the key. If you are consistent with this, I guarantee you, I promise you, you will see results. You will see wonders. You will see things happening to you, through you, for you, right? Continue to apply for work, continue to look for work, but trust that it is yours. What you are asking for, what you are looking for is yours. It is done. It is just a matter of time before it shows up, and continue to take action. Okay? So, like I said, guys, if you do this consistently, you will see results. First person visualization, that is it. It has worked wonders for me, right? It has got me to this point right now where I'm making these videos. It has got me to this point where I'm comfortable, confident, making these videos in public, making these videos wherever, right? Due to first person visualization. And just continue to practice this, right? Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All the best with this. All the best to you. Love, peace, bliss, guidance to you. Success to you. And peace and love. One love. Affirm life. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you thought of this video. If you want to add to it and give persons guidance with regards to visualization, you can do that in the comment section below. Share this video with everybody, because this could benefit everyone. So share this video with friends and family, and I'll see you next time. All the best. Peace and love. One love. From life.